Very nice signal. Dattaji, congratulations. You are the strongest signal I've heard in a long time. So we have others and frequency after a very long time. So how are you doing others? We used to whiskey to whiskey with you to DSI, you to Yankee Kilo. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay. We to Yankee Kilo, we to whiskey, to whiskey. Again, Rahul and Chris Datta. Yeah, particularly both after a very long time. But I'm coming very strong by this much of the here in Calicut.
Yeah, my estimator shows 25 dB over 9 for so good condition. Then I would like to congratulate you both on excellent setup. You both, along with our friend Vinod from Kerala, due to the idea, I'm not running for a very long time. I hope you will find it. You are the strongest from DSI Ahmednagar, he is the strongest from Maharashtra. So I have friendship with three of the biggest guns from South India. BU to DSI, BU to YK.
Right.
Who's the breaker?
Victor United 3, Charlie Golf Bravo.
Sauda from Kolkata, our U3 Charlie Golf Bravo. He's about 5 and 5, 65 here in Calicut. And Rahul, I'm touching the start touching the new app in an SP 1.3. The antenna radio is the same as by the beat. And the U3 Charlie Golf Bravo and Joe with the whiskey, Echo whiskey.
Good evening, others. You are 5 and 8. I copy Yankee Kilowatt is 5 and 9. Dattaji 5 and 5, 5 and 6. Over.
Yeah, Roger, Sauda to the 5 and 8 report and Q that you are copying Rahul 5 and 9. Now it is Sauda from Kolkata. I don't know whether you are copying. These Yankee Kilowatt and Q4 with whiskey, Echo whiskey.
There's my step. My antenna is towards South India. So very difficult to copy stations from Eastern India because the noise also is very high. Give my regards to CGB. I think I had a few QSOs with him. Gentlemen, Dattaji and Adarsh and CGB, I'll have to go QRT now. There was just a call. I'm going to take the dogs out for a walk. It's usually between 7:15 and 7:30. It's already 7:14, so let me start getting ready.